my diff started making terrible noise. It's an open diff, but it takes a bit of effort to overcome resistance. So I got a new one. Not really a new one, another old one. This is a little bit better. I'm curious how much resistance is normal. So I attempt to measure the force it takes to break it loose. This is the replacement diff. Let's see how does LSD behave. Let's pop this open. Let's see what's inside. There's pitting in there. There's lots of wear. This doesn't look good to me. I don't know, looks terrible to me anyways. Let's see inside the replacement one. It looks a little bit better, but not a whole lot. I'm not an expert, but this doesn't look good. Now this is the cover. You can see a lot of metal shavings in the speed sensor. And also last time I did the oil change, which was actually a month ago. A big magnet in the drain plug as well. You can see the amount of metal in there. The replacement diff cover, much cleaner. So this is basically brand new oil. And there's definitely metal in it. Grab the magnet. You can see. The magnet underneath. Oh yeah, there's metal in it. Replacement diff runs much better, although there is some backlash. Backlash on replacement diff. So I painted the gears. I don't know what this pattern means. Replacement diff. Yeah, I don't know what this means. I now have the diff installed. Let's see what's the total backlash. That's pretty bad. Most of the backlash is in the CV joints. I was hoping diff replacement solves all my problems. Need to replace bearings as well.